Okay guys, so today I have a haul for you guys from Crafter's Companion. One of them is the subscription box, which I get through HSN, and so it just arrived yesterday, and so did my Crafter's Companion order that I placed on the 23rd of August. So yesterday was the 9th of September and it had barely come in. So I mean, that's over 2 weeks. So they normally don't take that long. I take that back. I guess it's hit and miss. I've had other ones where they deliver it within like 5 days. Other times it just takes forever. So I don't know what's up with that. But I do want to mention something about the subscription boxes. I do get the HSN subscription box. You guys know they had a great deal to get into like the last 6 boxes a couple months ago or last month, whenever it was. So you got 3 of the subscription boxes for the price of 1, and then you continue the subscription. Or you signed up over a year ago like I did. And what I want to mention about this is that Crafter's Companion themselves sells the subscription boxes too. You can go on there, you can see that they have like September, October, whatever. They've been selling for like $10, $6 the other day they had one. So like if you haven't gotten into the subscription set and there's one that you like, go look at their website and watch their little Crafters TV thing, because chances are they'll have it, and they're gonna have it at a freaking like ridiculously amazing price. Because I was just like, wow, that's crazy. So this is the one for this month through HSN. This normally arrives before the month is out. Like this is a September box, but I usually get it, you know, at the end of August or whatever. I don't know what happened. They usually send things out the 23rd, 24th, maybe 26th, and you get it kind of early. Today's, you know, the 10th. Obviously, I received it yesterday. It just took a really long time. So they already have their videos up for it, and I think Craig did the some of the videos, maybe the unboxing too. So it's called Statement Word Edgeables. So this is number 16. My neighbor's dogs are doing something other. Really cute. So I already saw the videos that have to do with it. I will definitely do a review by itself because I have a haul today also from Crafter's Companion, so I wanted to get to that. So I'm not going to review these right now, but I will put out a video. If you guys haven't watched my video on using their Enchanted Christmas collection that just came out, they still don't have it at HSN unless they're going to bring it out later today, because sometimes they do that. They'll like not put something on their website because they know it's going to sell out and they put it out later. I just started picking up the pieces that I liked through Crafter's Companion site, and I made this little card for you guys, so I'll have the link in the description box if you want to check out their Enchanted Christmas lineup. And let's open this guy up. So it always has a little foiled sticker, so that's why I mean for $10 or like $6 or $7.50, whatever they. Sometimes they're $12. If you can get this for somebody for Christmas that likes to, you know, craft, it's a beautiful gift, should I say. So they're always packaged really nicely with the little note from Sarah, thank you for your purchase, the Crafter's Companion logo paper. Okay, so this one has, of course, the ribbons that always go back to the papers. These are not my favorite colors, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of, but it has the 1-inch ribbon, maybe 3/4, maybe it's a little bit more than 1 inch, and like a 1/2 inch ribbon. There is a little sentiment set that says hello, have an, and then smile, day, happiness, looks on you, you are, and yeah, those are weird sentiments, but it's because they go along with the dies. Pearl, half pearls that go along again with those same kind of yellow and pastel-y kind of colors. So this is basically the set. Okay, so what I was going to mention about these are edgeables, right? And I signed up for their auto delivery way back, I think in January, May, I don't remember when it was. I looked back because I was checking out something else to make sure I wasn't ordering doubles when I went to HSN's craft day today, because on the 10th, today is their craft day. And suppose I have 2 auto deliveries that are edgeable, so I don't know what happened with that. It's kind of weird. 2 different types. But anyway, who cares? Back to this. If you're ordering today at HSN, they do have some great prices on the edgeables. Normally, I'm not kidding, whenever Crafter's Companion has them on sale on their site, they're like $3 for the stamp that comes with it. That usually has a couple little sentiments and the die. So they're not the most expensive thing that they sell. When they're not $3 or $4 like on sale, they're more than that, obviously. So sometimes HSN has a good price, but they like to sell them like 3-packs, like 3s for $21 or $22, which is still kind of twice as much as you would pay if you bought them off Crafter's Companion on a sale. And today they do have their Christmas set, which I don't know if you guys saw my last haul. I picked up the word Santa with its stamps for a few bucks because it was buy one, get one half price. But today they have their whole 6 sets, I think it's 6 sets of like holiday words, and it's $22. So that is a good price. So I mean, if you want to get them all at once, right? So I went ahead and ordered them again. I'll probably give away the Santa one because Santa comes in that one in that set too. So I'll do that and keep an eye out when I do my Crafter's Companion, the next giveaway. I have a ton of things to give away. But this one comes with the word gorgeous, awesome. It has a little pennant or bunting, they like to call it, or a banner. And then the one part that does cost a little more on their site is like this outside piece that makes like a nice little aperture or frame. So that's kind of cool. And it has like little dotting. It's really cute. So I said all that because I just want you guys to get a good deal. So, you know, if you're not comfortable with what they're offering there, get it on Crafter's Companion site. Having said that, there are some things I wanted to pick up today on HSN, but I was like, oh, I don't remember how much they charge for those like on Crafter's Companion site. So I went to check over there, and they pulled a lot of the products. So they were there. I've already bought some of these things, you know, but since they put it on HSN, I guess they pull it so you don't really see it. You can't order it. You can't get a different price. So you're tempted to buy on HSN, but maybe tomorrow or the next day they're gonna put them back up on Crafter's Companion. They've done it before, so I've noticed that. So some of the things were like the shaker card, the Christmas shaker card stuff they did have available. Now they're not there, but they normally charge 20 bucks per shaker card set. So that'll kind of give you an idea if it's a good price to buy 2 of the shaker card, Christmas shaker card sets today on HSN or whenever for 30 bucks. So they're offering for $29.95. So it's basically $10 off. So, and then it comes with glitter. So you can, you know, price it out yourselves. Hopefully I'll get this up early enough that you understand what I'm saying here. But we have the card blanks, and their card is nice and thick. Like, I don't know, this must be the 300 GSM type because it's really, really thick. Envelopes, colored paper that coordinates. Again, I'm not going to really open this up, but hopefully you can kind of see the colors. Again, there's like peachy, pastel-y. There's a teal, which is nice, light blue, looks like. So I had seen this when Craig was showing it. I'm like, yeah, the papers are not my favorite this month either. I don't know what's going on. They're taking longer and longer to send them out. And sometimes the papers and the colors, or even last month's button one, everybody that saw it here was like, no. Or I already said no just because I saw it was going to come with buttons, right? The button kit. So little flowers. That one's cute. Like a checker. That was not too bad. And then a yellow gingham. This polka dot one is odd. It's kind of gray purpley, and then it has like peachy pink dots. I don't know. This is cute. I always like that. It looks like flannel. The little hearts. And this one here. It's just kind of a peachy with white dots. Just that stripe one. I had seen it. I'm like, that is so ugly. But anyway, okay. So that is box number 16. And I went through it kind of quickly because, like I said, they already have their videos up. Usually my video comes up before theirs does, so... what else was I gonna mention? Oh, if you guys haven't seen the double-sided dies I reviewed, they have a few thousand views each one that I put out there. So if I remember, I will link them here. If not, just, you know, go and search Crafter's Companion double-sided dies and my video will come up because it's one of the only ones that are out there other than the ones that come from Crafter's Companion. A couple other people. Okay, I'm curious to see if everything I ordered is in this box because, again, this box arrived with a huge gash in it. And I was like looking at my order receipt. And supposedly, I did order 2 things that were kind of small. Well, one thing, it was the Gilding Wax. Did I order 2 Gilding Waxes? It says 1. I thought I ordered 2. Okay, so let's see what we got. So this is, again, from their buy one, get one that they had on August. It was like a long weekend at the end of August. So, what I had told you guys... Oh, this is interesting. Wait, hold on. What's going on here? Did I order all this? Collection plate, foil press. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know it came with that. So I did order a foil press plate, collection plate, because again, they were buy one, get one half price. So I kind of ordered things that were kind of similar in price so I can get the other thing half price. So the big thing that I ordered would be the another foil press platform and then the Gemini complete plate collection for the large Gemini. So this, I didn't realize came with another rubber mat, which I don't need. I don't even use the first one that I had, but it's here, the foil press rubber mat, so you can put down your large dies or any dies that are too hot to handle. The metal plate for your foil press, and then this the top plate. What's interesting about this is basically it's the same material that they put out for the new double-sided dies, right? It is basically the same size. I'm just trying to show you, but see, this one's a little bit lighter green. I'm not saying you can interchange them because I don't know that that's the case yet, but they are, I don't know. I think the foil press one is a little thicker, so let's not mess with that. But it is the same material, so that's kind of cool. So there's that. This is the foil press. So they want 60 bucks for this thing, I think. It was on sale a little bit because I have 20% off, you know, already. So mine was less expensive. I bought this because the original one is getting a little bit warped, but then I also thought this is probably the thing that actually gets the heat, right, when you plug it in. And what if the other one stops working, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of want mine to work for a long time. So I went ahead and got a separate one. You can also, as you're running, you know, one of the plates through, use the next one, right? The other one you have. So you can always just keep, if you're really that busy. But sometimes it happens, right? If you're doing like batch card making, especially Christmas coming up, you want to just keep them going, keep them going, keep them going. So you can always have one heating up, getting ready when the next one's going through, or however you want to do that. So I don't know, but I just picked it up because I did notice the other one's kind of warping, and I've seen on their videos when they use them, sometimes theirs also has a little bit of a bent there. Okay. Oh my gosh, what? You know why I was so excited about this one is because supposedly I was going to get a Sheena mystery bag for, because super cheap basically. But what's kind of cool about that is that I paid full price for that one, and I got something else half price, but there. I noticed on the receipt here that it was highlighted and it says R. And I'm like, what does that mean? The Sheena. So basically this little note here, it says with compliments. How's that compliments? Unfortunately, there has been a stock discrepancy in our warehouse and we no longer have any of the highlighted item in stock. As we now have discontinued these, I have issued you a refund for it. Please accept my apologies for any inconvenience this may have caused you. So I will definitely check my card and see that I was refunded that 24 bucks. Which is a bummer, because, oh well. Sorry, I was hoping I could show those to you guys. I did pick up the last two wraparound dies that I thought I ordered the first time, but I didn't. So it was Forest Friends, which I thought he was so cute. Look at the little trees and the little guy. I just think it's adorable. And it kind of goes back with the Enchanted Christmas stuff, and so I just had to get it. And this is the Decorative Snowflake wraparound die. And like I said, as long as they have a larger area to clip into each other, you're good. Some of the reviews I did before were like, nope. Okay, this is, oh, interesting. Oh, that's cool. Unless they gave this to me, but this is the plate set, the large plate set for the Gemini. And like I said, I bought one, got one half price. Basically, this was the same price as the foil press plate. But I also got this bag. So I don't remember it saying it came with that, but cool. So I can put them in here because I don't have the large bag. I have the bags for the Go and I have the bags for the Junior, but I don't have the bag for the complete large Gemini plate set. So that's cool. Just a couple other things. Well, now I know this is shorter. Maybe I'll show you some stuff I picked up at Michael's, and then I have some things from HSN, but I'm gonna do that separately. I picked this up, the HaunchyDory Mice to Meet You paper pack, because it was on sale, and then I got my 20% off. Again, buy one get one half price. And any items on the whole website. So I just thought it was cute, and I want to try out their stuff. It has like toppers, and basically you layer things up. I don't know if you can see how everything's like foiled, and it's nice thick paper, and it has a ton of things in here, and it had good reviews. So I thought that was kind of cute, because basically what you're seeing here, the paper that's in here will make these things. So like this pop-up card, like a little stepper card. So kind of interesting, right? Or easel card, should I say. So I just thought that was fun. You can check out HaunchyDory. They have a site here on YouTube. And you can see all their little paper products, their little crafts. And this should be my Gilding Wax. What a bummer. You know, they're kind of, I don't know if they actually ran out, but like I said, it took them like 2 weeks to send the thing. Because that Sheena stuff was still on there even recently for the Sheena bags. So maybe they didn't like selling it for so cheap, or I don't know. That bothers me. Or they just took so long to send it that they ran out. But this is the Gilding Wax. Now, I've tried to find this, like at Michael's, they don't have it. On HSN, they want 17 or 20 bucks for it. So I finally got a good price. It was, let me see, $6.80. I should have bought more. Oh my gosh. But this is the King Gold color, because I thought it was really pretty. They have like 3 or 4 different golds, and they are very different. But I thought this one's pretty. There's other ones, it's more of a rosy gold. Well, it doesn't look like that in here, but when you use it, it will be. But that stuff's so expensive, so I was like happy to finally get one. I do have Gilding Waxes that Crafter's Companion makes, and I reviewed them before, and they're okay. But I did want to try the Pebeo Gilding Wax, so I have one here. And I think that's it, guys. Yeah. Oh, no, like I said, I was going to show you a couple little things real quick that I picked up at Michael's, so that way I don't have to do a separate video. So I went there yesterday basically to kill time, but they had their Halloween stuff out, and then of course they have, you know, the Dia de los Muertos stuff, and I thought this was amazing, this little piece of artwork. It's like a wrapped canvas. So I went ahead and picked that up. I'm going to put it up in my room, and it's going to be here all year long because it's amazing. And then I bought this. Even sometimes their paper pads go on sale, especially this kind, for $5. But it was so cute. I hadn't seen it before. And I think I saw it in the smaller pad. I don't know, but look at the little confetti. It's adorable. So I used my coupon to get this, basically. They had another stack from Tim Holtz also that was really nice, but I was like, well, I gotta pick one. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I did not see that. I love it. Oh my gosh, I should have got two. No, I'm just kidding. I'll just keep an eye out for it whenever they do go on sale again for $5 if we want another one of those. Just a couple of little Halloween things. They had this little canister. I guess it's, you know, you can put a candle in there, or maybe hold things, or like if you're having a party, put your utensils in there. They had it in yellow and orange in these two colors, so I just got it in these two colors because of course they're pretty colors. But then I was like, I should have got them all, but no. You know, I didn't actually, because they were only 30% off, and I'm like, they'll put them 40 and 50 and 60% off, so I'll wait and keep an eye out. And then I got this little lady, and so yeah, I bought her, even though, like I said, 30% off for now. She was only $9 to begin with, so she was about $6, and then I have my military discount on top of that. But I love her, and I'm gonna hang her right here to watch me every day. If they had a gentleman, I would have got that, but they did not. I got Miranda JoJo bow that they were half price, and then again, I still always get my discount on top of that. And for some reason, they gave me a free set of candles, and I don't know what happened to this poor set of candles in the car. It like fell out of the bag and got all, it was nice, and now it looks all messed up. But she's like, oh, you spent $40, you get a free set of candles. I'm like, oh, okay. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the new reviews, and I'll have some links, and go check out HSN today if you're watching this on the 10th, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.